family already. Suggest you get the beat related for real. What? Shall we let them play together? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. This is the battle of the great. OMG. Oh guys, today is rainy. I cannot go outside. It's rainy. My mom told me that we shall never go outside during rainy days. So I think that I play my cell phone because I have to complete this game immediately, and today I will defeat Mullet Morty. He's level 8 and 26 is his HP. Okay, Morty. I am the Morty. My opponent is Mullet Morty, level 8. HP is 26. I will use uppers. Uppers. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, boom. It's a critical hit. Okay, I will use plane. Whoa, his days. Mullet Morty's days. Yes! 83 XP points. Now I'm level 10 now. Okay. More Mass Caloric is sending. No, continue. Breeze, so you will be sucked many dicks. OMG. What the fuck? Flavor. Oh no, fuck you. Fuck you. Calyrex, fuck you. Fuck you. You may suck many dick, bitch. Breathe. I will use guillotine. Whoa, I defeat Morty. You know, I will win in this match. Ooh, learn moves. Sparkle. Currency. Receive sparkle. Wow. Whoa. Let me see this one. Whoa, a currency.